Hey guys, today I will be playing Happy Wheels. Yeah, Happy Wheels. Let's get it. Why not? I love Mortal Kombat. In Mortal Kombat 11, I have to. Okay. Welcome back, Pogo. Alright. Jeez. What a great way to start off. Okay. Okay. Ha! No. No. Hopefully, I don't get demonetized. Are you kidding me? Let's just restart that. I was doing so good. Get wrecked, Scorpion. Kenshi. Yeet. Oh wow. Okay. We already know what Scorpion's gonna do. So, let me just. Haha, get over here. Are you kidding me? Get over here. Oh, that is so cool. Fatality. Jeez. That's what I call a fatality. Gorokan. I'm not gonna do nothing with that little knife. Whoa. I got somebody. Yep. Okay, I'm just going. Bop. Oh, come on. I was so close. Of course I will. Are you kidding me? Boom. Why does that keep happening to me? Haha. Get Shrek, Scorpion. Get over here. Oh! Oh! Hey, still killed Kenshi. Look at him. Died again. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time. On to another one. Mortal Kombat quiz. Test your might. Mortal Kombat quiz version 3. No more stupid questions. No. Kratos, right? Yes. It was Kratos. Come on. Why would you do that? Ermac? Oh, thank God. Why? Test your might. Why? You good? Restart. Ermac. Who's... Yeah, Ermac. Johnny Cage, come on. Why? He jokes around. Like, come on. I mean, he is kind of cool. I'm trying to make him my main for Mortal Kombat X. Still play it. Well, I deleted it. Yeah, I'm not doing it again. Like, no, it keeps like stuff. Sub-Zero. I need Fogo guy for this. Fogy guy. Fogy guy. Who's that? Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, that will be the end of the video. Bye.